Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website. It is called Sharepal. So in this website, you can rent various products. So let's say my location is Bangalore. Now if I am going for trekking, I can get various trekking gears like trekking shoes. So I can rent it for a certain period of time or number of days. So if it is DSLR cameras, if you see, there is this DSLR camera. If you see, these are the cameras that is available. Now if I want one of these cameras for some days, I can have it. So I can come to this Sony Alpha A7 camera. So this is Sony Alpha A7 camera, Sony Alpha A7 III. So it gives you the great quality, free delivery and returns. If you use Sharepal user code, you will get a discount, and if you use our referral link, you will again get some discount, I guess. Now if you come to this, you can choose the date from when to when you want this thing here, and they will do your KYC to make sure that you return their product. And there is a 10 to 15% charge that they has a security deposit, which will be refunded after checking the product while you return it. So the cost of this is around 6,399, and on the day of delivery and the day of return, they are not charging you. So delivery and return will be taken care by them. So how much the delivery and pickup costs? So they charge around 299 flat for all orders, irrespective of the size. This includes both delivery and pickup of the order. So if there are damages, that money will be deducted. There will be some charges. Damaging policy is there. Now quality and hygiene. On the product page, you can find the actual product picture for most of the products. These are actual product pictures that they are saying. So in this way, you will be able to get some of these products, and if you want to utilize it, you can utilize for a particular period of time. If it is like action camera, so you can get those action cameras in this website. 360 cameras, GoPro cameras. If it's like GoPro cameras, you can see various GoPro and other things which is available, and within the short period of time you can rent it and utilize it. So this is GoPro Hero 11. This is Insta camera. So similarly, you can rent various products rather than buying it. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.